found out something really interesting with my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you press down with your knee, the phone actually tries to turn on. It's actually just gone out of its hard bricks now. So, applying pressure in this area of the phone, actually gets it to turn on. We've actually found the issue. It's definitely soldering cracks in the CPU and RAM. Well, that actually sums it up right there, actually. So, that is... so, if you put your knee here, while the phone is turning on, it actually starts up. So, that right there indicates that the phone's hardware is the soldering is cracked. So it needs rebowling. I already know this, actually. I had a feeling it was this, because this is actually a well-documented issue with the S22 Ultra, so... I think the components are failing, but I think it's not really worth actually rebowling this, because I've got better tech now. I've got iPhone 15, I've got A53, I've got the A56, we're recording right now. So yeah, putting your knee there actually gets it to turn on, so yeah, that's some interesting news. But as soon as you let go, the phone goes back into a hard brick state, so I might get some clips and clip it there, so see if it turns on or something. But yeah, that's some interesting news. If I let go of my knee on this phone, let's find out. Oh no, I thought it crashed then. Skip. Oh my god, it's working now. It's actually working. I think I put this phone in the freezer, hoping it will work, but pressing down on it with your knee actually gets it working. I am shocked. How is this thing working? How? It was crashing before. Wow, that is like... it's just crazy. So, revive an S22 Ultra, you just put your knee on it and it just works. That is just crazy.